And I was about to step into a meeting, then the phone rings and the Truecaller pops up saying embassy of the country had applied for. I'm like, why are they even calling me? Hello everyone, my name is Varun Krishnan. I'm a tech entrepreneur based in Chennai, India, and I've been writing about consumer technology for over 20 years now. So how long I've been using the app? I think I've been using, if you guys remember the good old Symbian days, Nokia days, I've been using Truecaller since then. And after that, I started using it on Android and then most recently on the iPhone. So I test a lot of phones for work. And one of the first things I do is install Truecaller because I just get a ton of spam calls every day. So how is the app useful to me? Yes, so as I said, I get a lot of calls and most of them are spam. And sometimes I do get some genuine calls, so I can't really choose to block everything. So Truecaller is invaluable for me in that aspect. So not just me, I've also taken the family plan because it protects my family, especially senior citizens, targets of these financial fraud. So I have a lot of incidents, but one comes to the top of my mind is once I had actually applied for a visa for an upcoming trip and I forgot about it almost. And I was about to step into a meeting, then the phone rings and the Truecaller pops up saying embassy of the country had applied for. I'm like, why are they even calling me? I panicked and actually took the call, stepped out of the meeting, and they actually wanted me to send some additional paperwork. I submitted and I got the visa. If I had not taken that call, that trip would have likely been cancelled. So that way, that was an incident I still remember to date. It's pretty much one of the first things I install on a phone. And with the rise in spam and scam calls happening, I think it's become pretty essential to have Truecaller on your phone. And not just that, operators are also showing the likely spam notifications these days. But I think Truecaller is highly relevant because it's just not enough to just see if it's a spammer, but you also want the context, that is where Truecaller steps in. They've also launched some new AI caller ID feature where it uses real-time data and user insights, who is calling, but also why somebody is calling you, which is pretty valuable. And not many people know this, but Truecaller is actually a community-driven app, so you can actually report info on the app about some number you got a call from. So there are a lot of features in the app which I use, but my favorite feature is the auto blocking option, because I just don't even need to take that call, especially coming from spammers and these credit card companies. It just auto blocks the call. The phone doesn't even ring. So much time saved and peace of mind. So that's my favorite feature in the app.